Okay, now I got the drone set up. I'm downtown in St. Louis Riverfront, and I'm about to test out the active track and see how good the active track is. I got my bike. I'm gonna do a little bit of walking, and I'm gonna do a little bit of running. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you made it with me. Today I will be testing out the active track. So the first thing you want to do is draw a box around your object or subject that you are shooting. An animation will pop up and it will explain to you all the different options that you have. So today I will be doing the basic active track, which is trace, and that will allow the drone to follow you while recording and keeping up with you at all times. So just push go and everything's ready to start. Or you can wave at the camera and it will start automatically. The distance that the drone starts from your subject is a distance that it will remain through the whole active track session. It won't get higher or lower than what you started it at. As you can see, it's doing a good job of keeping me in frame at all times. It's recognizing me as the object. And at this moment, I notice it's dead squirrel, so we're gonna act like we don't see that, and we're gonna keep it going. The good thing about active track is it's still working even as I'm walking towards the camera, so it goes forward and reverse. You can get some good shots and be really creative with active track. Now I'm doing a running test. You see the motion is really smooth. It's keeping up with me, keeping the same distance, keeping me in the center of the frame. Active track is definitely my favorite feature of the whole Mavic Air 2. So from there you can stop and you can select a different target. Again, push start, or you can wave at the camera and it will automatically start recording. I'm trying to ride a bike with one hand, got the control in the other hand. Again, it's keeping me in the center of the frame. Smooth motion. And not losing track of me at all. All right guys, the active track did really good. I like the results. I'm definitely gonna use that effect a lot. It kept up with me on my bike and while walking and running, or a light jog. I didn't really do a full speed run, but I'm pretty sure it will keep up with me while I'm running. And I'm gonna try the same tracking effect, but I'm gonna use a different mode with it. I'm gonna use the circle mode that comes with it. So I gotta go to a different location because it's a lot of power lines over here and I don't want to take any chances like yesterday with that light pole. As y'all saw, if y'all haven't, I'm gonna put a card above and y'all can just click on it. It's crazy. You gotta be really careful with these drones. They cost a lot of money. So I'm going to a different location and see y'all later.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.